As we all have witnessed, 2020 was a cursed year for everyone, especially the lower class people. So we have come up with an idea that brings back a smile on their faces, and we provide them the means of livelihood, and also we try to protect the environment as much as we can do. According to statistics, India is the largest accumulator of rubber tires, which when burned provides an unimaginable amount of air pollution. So we will be manufacturing shoes with rubber tires as the soles, recycled rubber tires as the soles, because rubber tires are quite sturdy in texture, so they would make great soles. We will be selling them at very cheap prices, because obviously first of all they are recycled, and second of all we want the lower class of the population to buy this too. We will and they will be very cheap in comparison to the other shoes provided in today's market. We will be designing our own website, and we are thinking of making designing our own website, and we will be collaborating with local cobblers, artisans, people who are specialized in making handicrafts, and other such people, maybe garbage scrapers who would collect the rubber tires and bring back to us, and they would all be united and make these shoes. So we will be we are thinking of making a short film on this, and we will be releasing this on our website so that people can see what problems we are facing. All our initial costs and manufacturing costs will be covered by us, and after the shoes are manufactured, we will be giving free samples to people to try them out and to give us reviews and on how we can better ourselves, because we firmly believe in the motto that to use the product before we sell to other people, because that's the best way of convincing people to buy our products, and that also ensures quality gradation. We will, on our website, we will be releasing, or we will be giving all sort of reviews, positive and negative both. We will also be we are likely to collaborate with other shopping sites too, where people tend to shop frequently, like Amazon, Flipkart and all. But before we do that, we are thinking of collaborating with more such people, with more such cobblers and more such lower class people. And if we have that confidence, and if we achieve success, and if we get that confidence that we will be able to cover their families, we will be able to cover their salaries, and we will not back out, maybe then we will do sponsorship with other shoe shops maybe. The earlier plan we have not thought it thoroughly, but till now this is the plan. So yeah, thank you.